they do things differently. This famous quote of Shiv Kheda truly fits into Guru Harkishan Public School, Karol Bagh. Guru Harkishan Public School, Karol Bagh is a school with a difference. We at GHPS are always at a forefront, whether it is regarding implementation of CBSE strategies or adopting newer teaching learning strategies as per the changing environment. We evolve with each passing day because we firmly believe that the change is the essence of life and change is the only thing constant on this earth. We focus on developing each individual to his potential and fostering child's imagination and creativity by offering a wide range of experiences and building his self-esteem. We not only focus on academics but also on all-round development of a child. Due importance is given to sports, arts, music and other extracurricular activities besides academics so that the child excel in various fields.
Hi everyone, my name is Maninder Singh. I completed my schooling from Guru Harshan Public School, Karol Bagh in 2005. I would like to thank all the management as well as the faculty of the school. Because of their unending support and motivation, I was able to top across all the 13 branches of the school across Delhi, for which I was felicitated by the DSGMC in a special program. Afterwards, I was able to secure the admission in the dream destination of all the commerce students, that is Shri Ram College of Commerce. And I also got enrolled in CA, where I got the rank in the foundation exam. Today, I'm a qualified chartered accountant, having a work experience across various global MNCs like IFCO, UHG, that is the Fortune 500 American multinational, and Lava, a global Indian smartphone maker. I owe my success and my career to this great institute. Thank you so much.
Hello, Sat Sri Akal, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਭਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ। I'm Dr. Raman Sharma, working as a senior resident in the Department of ENT, Maulana Azad Medical College and LNJP Hospital. I passed out from Guru Harkishan Public School, Karol Bagh in year 2007. And I would like to tell you that behind everybody's success, there are two things. There are two contributions. First, from the family, and second, from the school or the teachers. So I would like to use this opportunity to thank my Guru Harkishan Public School to make me what I am today. A big thank you and gratitude for my science teacher, especially the biology teacher, for their valuable inputs. It would have not been possible without their efforts where I have reached. So I wish and I hope everybody is safe and at home. Sat Sri Akal.
Hi everyone, my name is Manpreet Kaur. I did my schooling from GHPS Karol Bagh in 2001. I would like to thank all the teachers of GHPS Karol Bagh who helped me shape my academic career brilliantly well, and because of that I was able to secure a prestigious position in an organization like UHG, which is a Fortune 500 company. I would also like to thank the music department, because of whom I was able to perform worldwide. I did perform in many countries and I was able to record for Tips and Venus. Today, I'm settled in Australia and I'm really happy that I was part of GHPS Karol Bagh. I would like to thank everyone once again for building me what I am today. Thank you so much.
हर माता पिता का सपना होता है कि उसके बच्चे की ऑलराउंड डेवलपमेंट हो। इस उद्देश्य की प्राप्ति के लिए विद्यालय में शिक्षा के साथ को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज का आयोजन होता है। इस क्षेत्र में गुरु हरकिशन पब्लिक स्कूल करोल बाग के छात्रों ने सराहनीय प्रदर्शन किया है। गत वर्ष 160 छात्रों ने जोनल, डिस्ट्रिक्ट और नेशनल लेवल की अनेक प्रतियोगिताओं में भाग लिया। छात्रों ने लाइट म्यूजिक, सेमी क्लासिकल, हिंदी स्लोगन राइटिंग, पावर लिफ्टिंग, जूनियर क्रिकेट, रोल बॉल, स्केटिंग तथा ताइक्वांडो प्रतियोगिता में 40 से ज्यादा पदक जीते। गुरु हरकिशन पब्लिक स्कूल के अध्यापक तथा मैनेजमेंट छात्रों के बौद्धिक, भावात्मक, सामाजिक व शारीरिक विकास के लिए कटिबद्ध है।
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Ishadeep Kaur. I've completed my schooling from GHPS Karol Bagh, my undergraduation from Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College, Belgaum, and my post-graduation in the field of pediatric dentistry from Kempegowda Institute of Medical Sciences, Bangalore. I feel very honored when I talk about my school. as that was the place where I made friends and learned uncountable things. I would like to thank my teachers for showing so much passion, dedication, commitment, and contribution in our life. Thank you so much, sir and ma'am, for transforming our life, giving us education, confidence, and making our future for better. And at the end, I would like to say that one book, one pen, one child, and one teacher can change the whole world. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Arshdeep Kaur and I'm working as a senior data engineer in Nagaro. It's an IT firm. Just as a tall building needs a strong base, my school gave me that base for my strong career. I would like to thank GHPS Karol Bagh for shaping up my future, and I would not miss this opportunity to appreciate and thank all my teachers who helped me in my professional growth. Apart from the academic knowledge, I would like to thank my music teacher who encouraged me to pursue music, and as a result of that, I always stand out in my colleagues, and wherever I go, I have a known face. So, at last, I would like to say I miss those school days and cherish those memories. I wish I could go back and relive those memories. Thank you, GHPS Karol Bagh, and all the teachers.
Hi, my name is Gurpriya Kaur. Now you may call me as Shiv Gurpriya Kaur. I passed out my school in 2014 from Karol Bagh branch GHPS. It's been 3 years now. I'm a certified chef. Thank you for giving us work experience classes to enhance our skills. I so miss my school. It is a family to me and it always will be.
We ensure individual attention to each and every student, as everyone is unique, and we analyze and accompany every student throughout their school life in order to understand their needs, know their potential, and stimulate their educational curiosity. Our board results vouch for academic excellence. We educate the students for their life, and that is why, apart from teaching, we are an institution that is convinced that we must learn as a community in an environment of respect, solidarity, and dialogue. Education in values has no timetable, as it is part of all subjects at any given time of the day. The school is the school of life, where learning to get along the learning as a group complement the education.
Hi, I'm Gargi, Kathak dancer, also pursuing my advanced studies. I thanks to GHPS Karol Bagh and all my dear teachers to shape up my personality. As classical singing is an integral part of Kathak dance, for which I must thanks to my music teacher who shape up my voice so well, by which I'm always the best performer on stage. Because of great passion and lots of laurels, I scored so well in studies also. My teachers are there for any kind of help. Since class 2nd, they guided me so well, which helped me a lot in my grooming years. I miss my school days. Thank you.
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. My name is Sachin Giri and I'm an alumni of Guru Harkishan Public School, Karol Bagh. I have passed out in 2018 and I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to my school. I was in Guru Harkishan Public School, Karol Bagh since 2nd class, and I have spent my wonderful days with some cool friends and amazingly supportive teachers and a pleasant environment. I would say that standard 11th and 12th were the most amazing years in my school life. All teachers were supported us in every possible way and help us to achieve our academic goals. The sports days, the annual functions, and especially my drawing days when I used to participate in each and every art competition, and those days are some of the most enriching memories of my life, and that gifted me priceless friendship and experiences that I will cherish throughout my life. And lastly, I would like to give a tons of thanks to my school helping me pursue my dreams. Thank you and keep smiling.
Hi, this is Gulshan Singh, head boy and school topper of batch 2018-19, currently pursuing physics honors from Kirorimal College. Today, I feel very lucky that I have studied in Guru Harkishan Public School, Karol Bagh, and taught by all the teachers. Here, teachers are different. They try to link study with physical activity and encourage learning. They all are selfless and hardworking. They all make learning easy. I would like to thanks to all my teachers, school management to help me to achieve this. Thank you.
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. ਮੈਂ ਮਨਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਕੌਰ ਅੱਜ ਆਪ ਜੀ ਨਾਲ ਆਪਣੇ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੀਆਂ ਕੁਝ ਸੁਨਹਿਰੀ ਯਾਦਾਂ ਸਾਂਝੀਆਂ ਕਰਨ ਲੱਗੀ ਹਾਂ। ਗੁਰੂ ਹਰਕ੍ਰਿਸ਼ਨ ਪਬਲਿਕ ਸਕੂਲ ਕਰੋਲ ਬਾਗ ਤੋਂ ਕਾਮਰਸ ਸਟਰੀਮ ਤੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਪੜ੍ਹਾਈ ਪੂਰੀ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ। ਮੇਰੇ ਸਕੂਲ ਕਰਕੇ ਹੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਸਿੱਖੀ ਸਰੂਪ ਕਾਇਮ ਹੈ। ਟੀਚਰ ਸਾਹਿਬਾਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਹੀ ਸਿੱਖੀ ਸਿਧਾਂਤਾਂ, ਗੁਰਮਤਿ ਸੰਗੀਤ ਤੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਨਾਲ ਜੋੜ ਕੇ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਹੈ। ਕੀਰਤਨ ਦੀ ਦਾਤ ਵੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੀ ਹੀ ਦੇਣ ਹੈ। ਮੈਂ ਸਦਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੀ ਰਿਣੀ ਰਹਾਂਗੀ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।
ਬੱਚੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਕੌਮ ਦਾ ਸਰਮਾਇਆ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਹਨ ਜੋ ਆਪਣੇ ਅਮੀਰ ਵਿਰਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਂਭਦੇ ਹਨ। ਵੱਖ-ਵੱਖ ਧਰਮਾਂ ਦੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਸਕੂਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੇ ਹਨ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਸਾਡਾ ਧਰਮ ਦੀ ਏਕਤਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਿਸ਼ਵਾਸ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਹੈ। ਅੱਜ ਸਨਮਾਨਯੋਗ ਅਹੁਦਿਆਂ ਤੇ ਸੇਵਾ ਨਿਭਾ ਰਹੇ ਇਹ ਦੇਸ਼ ਕੌਮ ਦੇ ਹੀਰੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਹਰਕ੍ਰਿਸ਼ਨ ਪਬਲਿਕ ਸਕੂਲ ਕਰੋਲ ਬਾਗ ਦੀ ਦੇਣ ਹਨ, ਜਿੱਥੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੁਨਿਆਵੀ ਪੜ੍ਹਾਈ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ-ਨਾਲ ਚੰਗੀ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਦੇ ਕੇ ਗੁਰਬਾਣੀ ਨਾਲ ਵੀ ਜੋੜ ਕੇ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਆਉਣ ਵਾਲੀ ਨਵੀਂ ਪਨੀਰੀ ਦਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਸਕੂਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਦਾ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਰਹੇਗਾ।